morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Welcome back to today's class. Today we are going to learn fill in the blanks of the concerned lesson. Which lesson? The very first lesson. What is the name of the lesson? The King and the Bees. Very good. So, shall we start our class? Have you answered, have you written yesterday's homework? Very good. So, now we are going to start our class. Today also you have to write. Listen here properly all of you. Fill in the blanks. Long ago, there lived a very dash king. You have listened the lesson very carefully now, till now. So, you have to answer all this because these bits are in from the textbook only, from the lesson only. All these bits are from the lesson only. So, you have to answer now. Tell me, long ago, there lived a very dash king. How the king was? The king was very wise. Very good. Wise. Spelling of wise. What is the spelling of wise? W-I-S-E. Wise. W-I-S-E. Wise. Right. Long ago, there lived a very wise king. Okay. Now, second one. One day, a queen from the neighboring land came to dash his wisdom. One day one queen came to his kingdom. And what she said? Why she came there? Why did she came there? She came to test the king, no? Test. The queen came to test the king's wisdom. Am I right? కింగ్ తెలివి కలవాడా కాదా అని టెస్ట్ చేయడానికే కదా క్వీన్ వచ్చింది కదా. See, once again I'll read. One day, a queen from the neighboring land came to dash his wisdom. Came to test his wisdom. Spelling of test. T-E-S T. Test. T-E-S-T. Test. Okay. Next. She showed the king two dash of flowers. Em chupichindi? What did the queen showed the king? What did she showed? What did she showed? Reeds. Very good. Reeds. She showed those two the reeds and asked the king to identify what are real and what are artificial. Am I right? Have you all remembered the lesson? Lesson. From all these bits are from the lesson only. From the lesson itself. Okay? So, see, she showed the king two dash of flowers. Wreaths of flowers. Very good. W-R-E-A-T-H-S. Wreaths. Okay. Next. One was made of flowers of his garden. One wreath was made of flowers of that king's garden only. So, and the other was, one was real and the other was artificial. Very good. A-R-T-I-F-I-C-I-A-L. Artificial. One was made of flowers of his garden. Whose garden? King's garden. Of his garden. And the other was artificial. Next, she asked the king to find out which was made of dash flowers. ఏం ఐడెంటిఫై చేయమని చెప్పింది? Who asked the king to identify which was made up of his garden's flower? Queen asked. Queen ఏ కదా అడిగింది. So Queen, she asked the king to find out which was made of real flowers. Very good. Real flowers. R-E-A-L. Real flowers. See once again, ma. She asked the king to find out which was made of real flowers. Okay. Now, next bit. The king was dashed for some time by looking at those two reeds, those two real and artificial reeds. What did this king got? He got confused. The king was confused for some time. The king was confused. The king was confused. Right. C-O-N-F-U-S-E-D. Confused. C-O-N-F-U-S-E-D. Confused. The king was confused for some time. Next, he remembered that there was a climbing dash. What he remembered? But when he got confused, when that king got confused, he remembered something. What he remembered that? He had a climbing. What he had? He had a climbing vine. Very good. Climbing vine. And a dash right outside his window. Along with the climbing vine, one more thing is there outside his window. What is that? That is beehive. That is beehive. B-H-I-V-E. Beehive. Okay. He remembered that there was a climbing vine and a beehive right outside his window. Right? Okay, now. Soon, a dash of bees had gathered around the real flowers. Soon, what happened? When this king asked to open the window, what happened? What happened? A dash of bees. What do you mean by dash of bees? What can we write in the dash? Swarm of bees. Swarm of group of bees. So many bees entered into the hall and they gathered around the real flowers. Am I right? So the group of bees is known as collective noun. Swarm. Very good. A swarm. A swarm of bees had gathered around the real flowers. Okay, ma'am. Shall we read once again? Look at the board, all of you. Long ago, there lived a very wise king. One day, a queen from the neighboring land came to test his wisdom. She showed the king 2 wreaths of flowers. One was made of flowers of his garden and the other was artificial. She asked the king to find out which was made of real flowers. The king was confused for some time. He remembered that there was a climbing vine and a beehive right outside his window. Soon, a swarm of bees had gathered around the real flower. children? You have to write all these bits fact 2 times. This is your homework. Okay. Shall I repeat once again? Shall I repeat? See, my dear children. Long ago, there lived a very wise king. One day, a queen from the neighboring land came to test his wisdom. She showed the king 2 wreaths of flowers. One was made of flowers of his garden and the other was artificial. She asked the king to find out which was made of real flowers. The king was confused for some time. He remembered that there was a climbing vine and a beehive right outside his window. Soon, a swarm of bees had gathered around the real flowers. See, my dear children, you have to write this for 2 times. Okay, it is your homework. Okay, ma'am? That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, have a nice day. Bye.